it's your girl Mushley and I'm back with another vlog. So today it's a public holiday. It's the 24th of September. It's a heritage day and I am going to make breakfast now. It's quite late. I woke up around 9 and then I just did some exercises and then now I'm going to make some breakfast. I just washed my face. I only applied Vaseline because I'll be staying in the house the whole day. And yeah, man. So now let's go make breakfast. I'm making pancakes and blueberries. Baby, the sound of you, everything around me. I want you off my mind. Alpha Omega, my maker, almighty one. I just don't have enough words to give you the praise you deserve. It's about that time I take a deep dive and I go all in. Faith like I'm walking on water, I better not fall in. Yeah, I'ma keep my eyes on you, seek you like I'm supposed to do. Your love is easy like it's 1 + 2. No more burdens cause I trust in you. You are all I need, and I give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me. I'm moving like Matthew 6:33. Yeah, set apart, covered and blessed. I serve God and say it with my chest. Wake up thankful for his patience, grace and salvation. So nobody bothering me, no weapons formed against me shall prosper. I'm covered in God's armor. Yeah, if you say go, then I'll go. Lord, I only answer to you. So I'ma keep my eyes on you, seek you like I'm supposed to do. Your love is easy like it's 1 + 2. No more burdens cause I trust in you. You are all I need, and I give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me. I'm moving like Matthew 6:33. You are all I need, and I give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me. I'm moving like Matthew 6:33. If you say go, then I'll go, 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 go. If you say go, then I'll go, 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 go. If you say go, then I'll go, 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 go. If you say go, then I'll go, Lord, I am the answer to you. Da, 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 da.
Baby, look what you done started. Fuck you in the shower, for the counter we got up shit. Put it on you tonight. You know that it's on time.
I look like a hobo. Yeah, man, I need to unbraid my hair, Shem. One thing about the afro. Oh, Aisha. One thing about the afro, Sana, like it will humble you. I think I have 3 weeks in Trinile, but hi guys. I just woke up from a nap now. Never mind me. I just woke up from a nap and then
I'm going to make a magwinya. I've already made it though. I think now it's fine because I made it around 12. Ngiyacabanga manje would say right then. So I don't want to talk too much in this vlog. Let's go make a magwinya.
But you a bit early. I'ma take you to a new place. Close your eyes and go to sleep. I ain't talking about a nightmare. And I've been making all day. So don't hold back, babe. Baby, I want you to dream. You gon' see me, baby, when I make you dream. Body dripping, I'ma start again. Wanna taste all of your flavors. New position, yeah, baby, listen. We waking up all the neighbors. We can have a private party. And we don't have to tell nobody, baby, yeah. And that's why I know that I'm the reason you keep coming back. Girl, you fading. I'm addicted to the way you ride it when you screaming. Trying to touch it slow when I'm all in. Can you feel me?
You guys inform me like inform me, but then we are not there. I'm done. This is how they came out. Let me use my back camera to show you guys. So yeah, that's how magwinya came out. I don't know if I will end this vlog here or I'll just continue with it tomorrow. But if I'm ending this vlog here, thank you so much for watching till this far, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.